Deublin Company is the world's largest manufacturer of rotating unions. With numerous locations throughout the world, these precision products are used in an endless variety of applications, handling a wide range of fluids, viscosities, and temperatures, often at very high pressures and speeds. Working with the world's largest paper manufacturers, Deublin product engineers have revolutionized the industry by introducing the stationary siphon system. This meets the demands for today's high-speed paper machines. With the introduction of the Delta-Synth stationary siphon, Deublin has been established as an industry leader for the stationary siphon and steam joint design. These products have been specifically designed to handle the rigorous requirements for the high-speed paper machines. The stationary siphons have proven to be more energy efficient than rotating siphon. Rigidly supported by the machine's frame, the system requires no internal support or bushing inside the dryer to support the siphon. The two widely spaced supports reduce vibration and deflection of the horizontal pipe, enabling the siphon pickup shoe to be mounted at a close clearance to the dryer surface, 160 thousandths of an inch. This reduces the thickness of the condensate layer and increases the heat transfer to the surface of the dryer, making the dryer more efficient. Rotating siphons require high differential pressure to evacuate condensate to counter the centrifugal force in the spinning column of condensate. The higher the speed, the more the centrifugal force. Consequently, the more the differential pressure required. Since there is no centrifugal force in the column of the stationary siphon, the differential pressure required to evacuate the condensate is significantly reduced, along with the volume of the blow-through steam. The primary advantages of these siphons are their improved efficiency and reliability. This is due to reductions of differential pressure requirements, reduction of blow-through steam, elimination of dryer flooding, no moving parts inside the dryer, rigid mechanical mounting, hydroplaning siphon pickup shoe design, and single mechanical seal. When using a stationary siphon, the speed of the dryer's rotation actually contributes to the removal of the condensate. There are 4 types of condensate behavior: puddling, light cascading, and rimming. In this model demonstration of a dryer with a stationary siphon, we can demonstrate condensate behavior. With speeds less than 330 feet per minute, the condensate is at a puddle condition. With a stationary siphon, the pickup shoe is dipped into the puddle of the condensate. The differential pressure of the drum is set to the equivalent of 3 psi, and the condensate continues to be discharged with minimal blow-through steam. In the case of the rotating siphon, the siphon continuously rotates, with the dryer only momentarily being dipped into the puddle of condensate, picking up a minimal amount of condensate and an increased amount of steam. Excessive blow-through can lead to steam and condensate system problem. When the dryer speed is increased to 330 feet per minute, the condensate begins a light cascade. As the dryer speed is increased above 330 feet per minute to 660 feet per minute, the condensate starts to cascade. In both condensate behaviors, the stationary siphon is efficient at removing condensate from the dryer because the pickup shoe remains dipped in the condensate. The efficiency of the rotating siphon will also increase somewhat because the pickup shoe is in contact with an increased amount of condensate. The condensate is in a rimming condition at speeds of 990 feet per minute. The differential pressure of the drum remains at 3 psi. However, the faster the dryer rotates, the lower the differential pressure required to evacuate the condensate. At speeds above 3,000 feet per minute, the condensate can be evacuated at 0 psi differential. This is because the kinetic energy of the fluid is sufficient enough to discharge the condensate from the dryer, making this stationary siphon more effective. However, in real-world conditions, a positive differential is always maintained to prevent flooding under static conditions. Rotating siphons are at their worst under rimming conditions. Progressively higher differential pressures are required at elevated speeds to counter the centrifugal force of the spinning column of condensate. Deublin Company is the industry leader in stationary siphon technology. At its introduction, stationary siphons were used in high-speed machines only. Due to their reliability and flexibility, the stationary siphons are no longer just for high-speed machines. They are also suitable for paper machines operating at any speed. For more information about Deublin Company and rotating siphons, give us a call at 1-847-689-8600 or log on to our website at www.deublin.com.